last quarter century, Dr. Chang has been growing the most nutrient-dense, mineral-rich Schizandra in the world. Free from man-made chemicals and contaminants of any kind, our Schizandra plants enjoy the best that farming has to offer. The original seeds that started it all came from a single 100-year-old Schizandra plant yielding 4 30-foot rows of Schizandra plants. Now, after over 25 years of propagation, our beautiful farm has grown to a sprawling 50 acres of Schizandra vines. This hardy northern Schizandra variety yields beautiful, vibrant red fruit that is nutritionally superior and has an explosive, flavorful impact on the palate. The soil on this New England farm is often referred to as Hadley loam and is considered one of the finest soils in the world for growing crops. This soil is brought about by the overflowing of the Connecticut River over thousands of years, resulting in highly mineralized, nutrient-rich soil. Our Schizandra is watered by nature and our extremely clean well water. This well water has approximately 30 to 40 parts per million total dissolved solids and tests free of harmful chemicals and heavy metals. After carefully collecting the Schizandra berries by hand, the Schizandra berries are then soaked and strained in our ice-cold well water. This serves 3 functions: to remove stem debris and leaf debris, to wash the berries, and to pull some of the naturally occurring tannins from the berries. Our berries are then put into food-grade containers, loaded into our freezer truck, and shipped to the processing facility. This process locks in all the qualities that make our Schizandra so powerful. Next, our Schizandra goes through a proprietary extraction process in a CGMP-compliant, certified organic facility. This proprietary process has not been replicated anywhere in the world and is how we are able to maintain the vibrant, color, energetic signatures, and flavor profile of a fresh Schizandra berry. We encourage you to try our American-grown Schizandra and experience the difference.